Hello everyone, welcome back to Zorba Reviews. So today I'm going to give a glimpse of what my other videos will be coming up next. So these three drones I have got from a site called ZoneAlfa. So I'm going to give a review of each of these drones. Plus I'm going to give you a review of ZoneAlfa. So the first drone is the C18 drone. It's a GPS drone, and the second one here is A17 aerial drone. This is a non-GPS drone, and the last one is dialogue drone, which is very much popular. So basically I didn't buy C18, I bought S33. They told me that it is out of stock and they have sent me. There is a problem in this drone, it doesn't fly. The propellers that came bent, so when I tried to lift it up, it went side and it hit. So I've changed the propellers, but still the drone doesn't fly, and the quality of the drone is very bad. Like the plastic is very bad, extremely bad. Like I didn't like it at all. I have messaged them, there is no response at all from them yet. So I'm going to make more videos and reviews about what the communication will be. And this A17 drone, this is non-GPS drone. This is just to play indoor, and this is, I love this drone. Like, it is an amazing drone. I really liked it. And Dynalog drone, you might have seen a lot of videos about this, but I'm going to make much more depth review of this drone, because a lot of videos I have also watched before buying, but I see, like, they have missed a lot of points to cover in this drone. I also have DJI drone and multiple other drones, so I just wanted to give you a review of these three drones. I'm going to give more in-depth review. So basically I have spent around 15,000 to buy all these three drones. This is somewhere around 3,000 rupees, and this is around 7,000 rupees, and this is close to 8,000 rupees. So these are the types of drones I have got. And there is a problem with Dynalog drone. So as you can see, the remote display is slightly down. That's how it has come up with. So I won't be able to see how far the drone is at. All that will be is covered down. This is not gone down by myself. This is the issue with the, it came like that. This is a fixing issue. It came as a default from company itself. But I'm somewhere doubting that ZoneAlfa is neglecting my responses, because I sent that on the first day. This is on the second day, because I couldn't test it. The time I have tested it, I have messaged them, but there is no response. I'm going to give more review of what this ZoneAlfa will be providing to me, because I have bought all the three different types of drones that they sell in their website. So yeah, so follow my channel, and just look out for the more videos. I'm going to make a review of this one, and this is such a disappointment for me. I really hate it. If anyone is buying, trying to buy this C18 drone, don't buy it. If you're okay with A17 and Dynalog, but this one, try to neglect it. Build quality is very bad. They have suggested this drone. I'm really disappointed with ZoneAlfa, especially with this drone. It doesn't fly. First thing, it doesn't fly right now. 7,000 rupees is like, is like kind of waste for me with this drone. This one, 3,000 rupees worth. This is 7,500 worth. But this one, I'm really disappointed with this drone. I'm going to make more review and a more in-depth thing. And I will also share what I have shared with the ZoneAlfa and what is the response. I will share with the WhatsApp screenshot in the next video. Please do follow up, and just watch out for more videos. If you are watching this after some time, please come back to the channel and look back for this video, because I'm definitely going to make review of all these three drones. Please, just be aware not to buy this drone for sure. Thanks guys, bye.